Ik wil eerst zeggen, geluk aan Afrikaans. Afrikaans is 100 jaar oud hierdie jaar. Dit is 'n groot mijlpaal. Dat Afrikaans, my moedertaal en die taal van baie, een van die beste talen wat ons het in Suid-Afrika. Ek is baie trots op Afrikaans. En diegene wat nie van Afrikaans hou nie, jy hoef nie Afrikaans te praat nie, is alright. Speaker, South Africa, allow me to say this. I went to the University of Limpopo. Then I was attacked by one of the professors telling me, you just speak English, you must speak all languages, and you guys don't promote the languages. I said to him, Professor, you gave me a tour of the very same university before I spoke here. All the signs were in English. Should you not start here as a professor to change that? So I'm saying to this August House, let us start here to start changing that which we want to see. Let's start particularly with these people that sit down when the Afrikaans part of the national anthem is playing. Let's find them. And then they will start standing up. I never mentioned no name there. So I just want to make that clear, Speaker. Thank you.
Thank you. Honorable Member, what's your point of order?
With respect, Speaker.
Yeah.
We don't sit down when the Afrikaans part is being sang. We sit down when the stem is being sung. So the minister must not mislead the people of South Africa. We don't have a problem with Afrikaans. We have a problem with the stem. Thank you very much, Speaker.
I say Afrikaans version.
That was not a point of order. And the minister had not made any reference to any individual by any name or group, just as those people. So, ungazivezi ungakavezwa. Order